Are you looking for a way to automatically two-way sync between Trello and Apple iCloud Calendar? With zzBots, you can now install this sync as a plugin from our plugin store. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Trello account. After your account is connected, select the board and the list that you want to sync with. Next, set up the connection with your Apple iCloud Calendar account. After your account is connected, select the calendar that you want to sync with. Then click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. This plugin consists of two pre-built bots. The Apple iCloud Calendar to Trello bot will trigger on new or updated calendar events, and then automatically create or update the corresponding cards in Trello. The Trello to Apple iCloud Calendar bot will trigger on new or updated Trello cards, and then automatically create or update the corresponding events in iCloud Calendar. In order for this sync to work correctly, you will need to have a paid account in Trello. I will demonstrate how this sync works by adding and updating several cards in Trello. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps of each bot, you will find the bot history. Each time that one of your bots is triggered, it will create a bot instance. The bot power used by each bot instance will be shown here. Bot power will not be used every time that your bot checks for new data. Bot power will only be used when one of your bots is triggered and successfully syncs data between Trello and iCloud Calendar. As you can see here, the new and updated Trello cards successfully synced over to iCloud Calendar. I will update one of these events, as well as add a new event to sync back to Trello. After waiting for the bots to check for new data, you can see here that the new and updated events successfully synced back over to Trello. If you are looking for more ways to automate your business or integrate your different apps together, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.